see, we're in the pouring shed and we're going to start making the sand castings. First job, as always, is to get a little bit of powder on top of the 3D print, just so it helps, so it doesn't get stuck in the into the sand. I mean, it helps a little bit, it just helps the mould come out. So there we go, wax them on. What we'll do now, we'll grab the sieve and we'll sieve some fine sand on top. I like to do a bit of the finer stuff on top, because you don't want big lumps going on top of the mould. Just like nice fine stuff, so when you compress it down, hopefully then you'll get a nice crisp impression.
The kids of Elm Street don't know it yet, but something is coming to get them.
So we've compressed it down, we've put on with the big stuff, and I'll give it a good whack down. So now it's time to scrape off the excess now. The old dough slice that I use out the kitchen. So there you go, just slicing it off. There you go, there it is, nicely embedded. Sometimes it's a bit of a pain to get out. So a bit of this should pull out now. Got the old trusty masking tape, so we'll give that a good push on the back. And then that should release it. That gives us enough to get it out. Just need to try and pull it out at the same angle. And there it is. Very pleased with that impression, come out well. And it went in nice, so they look at them colours. So now time to get it flipped over in a sec once it's solidified, and we'll get it in for the quench. If you are enjoying the channel, folks, and liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe, as it does help the channel. We're trying to grow, we're still a small channel, so we're trying to grow our subscribership. So don't forget to do that, there's a button down below, and that'll be great. Cheers. Now let's get it flipped over.
He's in a jar and puking since he saw it.
And as you can see, guys and girls, look at that bad boy. It's come out nicely. So pleased with this one. As you can see, nice chunky pour. And it's come out well. So we'll get inside now and we'll start doing the cleanup.
365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a couple of things I wanted to go through, and I've actually made some notes. I made a few notes in my last video and it worked quite well. It keeps me on track and it reminds me of the things I want to cover off in the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is a candle update. Now apparently I'm doing this candle all wrong. I didn't realise there was a right and wrong way to burn a candle. It'll be quite interesting to see how that pans out. The next thing I wanted to talk about is dry January. Pretty cool.
Shame I was driving through most of it, but I put the phone on my tripod and I was listening to it all. So yeah, if you pay $2.99 subscription, you can get in the auction. It'll add you into his vault. There's plenty of giveaways. I've only been a member a month and I've seen him give away about 4 ounces of silver. So whatever he is earning off the subscriptions, he's giving back. And I don't think he's looking to make money out of the subscriptions. He just wants people, when he goes in the perks to everybody who's been joined, showing you setting it up. It's a lot into doing this stacking. We've got Addicted to Precious Metals. He's 365 childhood friend. He's a fantastic guy. Head on over to his channel, APM, Addicted to Precious Metals. Fantastic guy. 7 stacks. My first ever subscriber.
If she fails,
I'm your boyfriend now, Nancy.
no one will survive.